Most people don't know how to cook mousse, so today I'm going to show you how, using a slow cooker and some Asian flavors. Let's get started. Using some kosher salt, we're going to be seasoning the mousse. I'm going to be using my homemade garlic oil to pan sear the meat, giving it a nice crust before we fully cook it. Since mousse is quite a lean piece of meat, I'm going to be adding some pork belly, slicing it up, getting it nice and crispy, and adding it to the mix. Next, we're going to be moving on to our spices, our aromatics, and our liquids, putting them all into the slow cooker before we're letting it cook for 6 to 8 hours. Once the mousse is fork tender, we're going to be draining the liquid, bringing it up to a boil, adding in our slurry to thicken our sauce, and it's time to plate with a little bit of rice and bok choy. And there you have it, my slow cooker Asian mousse recipe, fork tender. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever cooked any game meats yourself. And if you're interested in some other winter holiday dishes, click one of these videos above. I'll see you in the next episode.